Welcome back to my tutorial series on how to set up and use the SICK Augmented Reality Assistant. In this video, you will learn how to set up the timeout in case of inactivity, set up the system connection and create a QR code to facilitate the smartphone connection to the configured system, manage active sessions. Click Settings. License Management will open. Define the timeout period for releasing the floating license for user inactivity or a lost connection. The default value is 5 minutes. Save your changes. Set up the connection between your mobile phone and SARA services by clicking SARA Services Access in the Settings menu. Input the hardware's IP address where SARA services are installed. Create a QR code representing the IP address. You can download the QR code if you would like to print it out and provide it to users. You will need the QR code when you initially set up the SARA app on your smartphone or tablet. To manage active app sessions during runtime, log in as an admin and click on Session Management in the Settings menu. A list of all active sessions will open. Each session uses one floating license. You have now learned how to easily adapt the settings in SARA Editor.